Welcome to our review of the electric air duster AC27. This super high-speed air blower is designed to make cleaning easy and efficient. With its powerful, brushless motor, this air duster boasts a maximum speed of 380,000 RPM and a peak wind speed of over 52 meters per second. Perfect for cleaning electronics, home, car, and outdoor surfaces. The AC27 air blower supports fast charging with up to 20 watts of power. It takes only 2.5 hours to fill, making it convenient to use on the go. The compressed air duster is also equipped with a bright LED illumination feature, making it easy to spot hidden dirt and debris in hard-to-reach areas. Featuring 3 nozzles and 1 nozzle brush, the AC27 electric air duster is versatile and perfect for various cleaning tasks. It's great for electronics, home, car, and outdoor use. The mini air blower is compact and portable, weighing only 0.62 pounds and fitting easily in your pocket. It's a great alternative to compressed air canisters. Get your electric air duster AC27 today and experience the power of efficient cleaning. Perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile cleaning solution. Order now and discover the convenience of cordless cleaning. With its super high-speed motor, fast charging, and portable design, this electric air duster is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Say goodbye to compressed air canisters and hello to a more efficient and cost-effective cleaning solution. Get your electric air duster AC27 today. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the electric air duster AC27 or would like to purchase one, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to take advantage of the fast charging feature and the bright LED illumination to make your cleaning tasks easier. Get your electric air duster AC27 today and start cleaning with ease and efficiency.